Delicious pork belly recipe. Let's make it. 3 pounds pork belly. Cut into 2-inch cubes. Heat the cooking oil. Add the pork belly. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Sauté over high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Add ginger. Add 3-star anise. 3 bay leaves. 1 stick cinnamon, optional. Add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Four tablespoons of calamansi extract or lemon juice. Cover for 2 minutes. Add enough hot water to cover the pork. Add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Simmer over low heat until pork becomes tender. Add Thai chili pepper, adjust to taste. Continue cooking until sauce reduced. Remove the aromatics. Continue cooking until sauce thickens. Uncover. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, incredibly delicious.